Welcome back to Town with the Elsies. Today I'm going to be talking to you about hitch locks and the different types of hitch locks there are out there, and I will be actually showing you how to fit one. I purchased a Maypole hitch lock. I found out that this was the wrong type for my caravan because of the handle. I had to actually purchase the AL-KO lock. This is the Maypole lock. If you notice inside there is a groove for your handle to go. Well, I don't actually have that type of handle. My handle is the shape of a D, so I had to go and purchase the AL-KO lock, which covers over the handle completely. There are a few other types of hitch locks that you can purchase, and I'll put them up just there. So just double check and make sure that you are actually ordering the correct one. I will be showing you how to fit the AL-KO lock to the caravan, as it does come with a fair few parts, but it seems quite easy to put together. So let's go outside and put it on. So all you're going to need to have is an Allen key, 19mm spanner, and that's it. That'll do the job. Right, what we do now is we take the hitch cover off. Simple enough. As you can see, I have a D-shaped handle, not the standard single lever handle. We have to put the Allen key in the Allen key one, this side. On the other side is the spanner. We won't be using the bolt, we'll be replacing that with the new one. So that's the bolt out. Before putting the plates on, make sure that you've got the plates the right way round, as one just has a groove, one's the shape as a P, upside down. The P side has to go the lock side. So all you need to do is insert the bolt, push it back through the hole, and offer this up to the other side. As you can see, the bolt's coming through. The bolt is quite tight in the slot, so when the bolt gets tightened up, this will pinch against the plate. So I'm just doing it up pinch tight, and with the Allen key it will tighten up nice and tight. As you can see, I'm tightening and the bolt's not moving. But make sure it's really tight. Right, that's really tight. So all that remains to do is to lift the handle, insert the ball, that's in there. As you can see, the green notch is up, so I know that ball's inserted correctly. The last thing you've got to do, twist the cover, insert the key, unlock it, place it over your hitch, push it down home, push it in, lock, cover, handle down. Job done. That's the AL-KO hitch lock installed. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, catch you later.